I decided to go on a boat trip up the Bosphorus. I bought one of these. It's got fish and salad in it, fresh fish. I think it's mackerel, I'm not sure, but it looks absolutely lovely. So I'm going to enjoy this. See you on the boat. I used to be in the Navy, so I've got my sea legs already. And we're on. There's Galata Tower there. And you can go all the way up through Istanbul Street, I think. Takes you all the way up to Taksim Square. I haven't been up there yet. And off we go. This is called the Golden Horn. And we're going up the Bosphorus. This trip is about 2 hours. Actually joins the Black Sea with the Sea of Marmara, I think it is. I'm on the port stern side at the moment, which is the rear left. Got the starboard stern side, see what you can see. There's a bit of blue sky there. Under the bridge we go. Wow, look at the size of that flag. Turkish flag. Maiden's Tower by there. Thank you for watching our video on a boat trip up the Bosphorus in Istanbul. Look after yourself. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Bye bye.